at least 5 private companies have bid to develop prototypes for India's own stealth fighter, the AMCA, or Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. The government will shortlist 2 of the bidders, who will then have to build 5 prototypes of the jet to the highest standard before manufacturing rights are given. An amount of 15,000 crore rupees has been sanctioned, which will be split among the 2 finalists to enable them to build the prototypes. The AMCA stealth fighter is at least 8 years away from being offered to the Indian Air Force for trial. Vishnu joins me on the phone line. Vishnu, what details can you share with us at this point?
Well, the AMCA project, or India's first stealth fighter, is at the heart of the Indian Air Force's future plans. It comes at a time when several air forces in the world, not least of all the Chinese, have been developing stealth fighters. What's taken place now is that several private firms in India, as we see this maturity of the Indian private defense sector growing, have gotten into the fray to bid to co-manufacture the AMCA fighter once it is ready. So it's a big competition. You see several Indian firms, Adani Defense, Larsen & Toubro, the Kalyani Group, among others, who have decided to get into this competition where there will be 2 finalists, and these 2 finalists will be told to build the prototypes of the AMCA fighter. The government has kept aside 15,000 crore rupees, which will be given to the 2 finalists, and if these finalists, one of them, or perhaps even both of them, are able to manufacture the prototypes of the stealth AMCA to a particular standard, then they'll win the contract to build a large number, if not all, of the AMCA fighters. Now, that's absolutely critical because India wants to ensure that the manufacture of our fighters goes beyond Hindustan Aeronautics and is not restricted only to Hindustan Aeronautics. This will increase the pace of manufacture, potentially the quality of manufacture as well, and bringing in the expertise of private firms in project management is something that the government wants to look at closely.
Yes.
That said, it's going to be difficult. These firms have not built fighter aircraft. Building a stealth fighter platform is extremely difficult, but it's clear that the private industry in India, in the defense sector, wants to step up to the challenge and have a crack at this huge project.
Vishnu Som, thanks for joining us on that developing story.